kids, in this video we are going to do some important questions on simultaneous linear equation. Now linear equations, you know, it can have one variable, two variable. Now simultaneous linear equation, it is two equation where there are two variables and you have to find the value of both the variables. We'll be following elimination method. So I'm taking few questions from S Agarwal, exercise 5A. The first question which I have taken is question number 30. So your two equations are given to you, but these are complex equations, right? First thing, you will have to get the linear equation in the simplest form. Okay, let's do that. So first, there are two fractions, so you cannot add or subtract till the time they are alike, right? They are like. So we will have to find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So here you will multiply 4 into 7 plus x minus 5 into 2x minus y is equal to 3y minus 5. Okay. Next step. Let's open the bracket now. 4 into 7 is 28. 4 into x is 4x. Minus 5 into 2x is minus 10x. Minus 5 into minus y is plus y, 5y. And since this is division, divide by 20. So when you transpose it to the other side, it will become multiplication. So 20 into 3y minus 5. So this will become 28. 4x minus 10x is minus 6x plus 5y is equal to 20 into 3y is 60y. 20 into minus 5 is minus 100. Now all variables on one side and constant on the other side. So this is minus 6x plus 5y minus 60y is equal to minus 100 minus 28. Now this will become minus 6x minus 55y is equal to minus 128. This becomes your first equation. Same way you are going to solve the second equation. Here also you will have to take the LCM. LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. So this is already 6. So you write the same number plus 2 into 3 is 6. So here also you multiply with 3. Okay. Now open the bracket. 4x minus 3. 3 into 5y is 15y. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. Now divide by 6. So when it comes here, it will be multiplied by 6. Okay. Now 4x plus 15y minus 3 minus 21 is minus 24 is equal to 6 times 18 is 108. 6 into this is minus 30x. Same format, all variables on one side and constant on the other. So this will become 4x plus 30x plus 15y is equal to 108 plus 24. So this is 34x plus 15y is equal to 132. This is your second equation. Now you have to use elimination method. Let me first copy the equation, then I can erase the other part. So the equation is minus 6x minus 55y is equal to minus 128. The other one is 34x plus 15y is equal to 132. Okay, come on. Now we have to use elimination method. Now either of the variable, either you want to take x or you want to take y, you can use it and eliminate the value. I find it easier, I will take y value. So you will find the LCM of 55 and 15. The LCM of 55 and 15 is 165. So since I want to make this 165, I will multiply this entire equation by 3. Here also I want 165, so I will multiply this entire equation by 11. Okay, come on, now let's solve it. Minus 6x into 3 is minus 18x. Minus 165y is equal to minus 8 3s are 24, 2 6, 7 8 3. 34x into 11 is 374x plus 165y is equal to 1452. Okay. Now minus 165 and plus 165 you can just eliminate it, right? Because the value is 0. Correct? Now minus 18 plus 374, it would be 356x 1416, yes, is equal to, this will become 4 8, this will be 12 1 15 1, yes. So now value of x is 1068 divided by 356, which is 3, 18 1, 15 16 1, yes. So x is equal to 3. Okay, now using this value you can put up in any equation, either in this equation or in this equation, and get the value of y. Say I find this easier, so I will take minus 6x minus 55y is equal to minus 128. Value of x is 3. So minus 6 into 3 minus 55y is equal to minus 128. Minus 18 minus 55y is equal to minus 128. Minus 55y is equal to minus 128. This goes to the other side, so it will become plus 18. So minus 55y is equal to minus 110. Y is equal to minus 110 upon minus 55. Cut. Answer is 2. So value of y is 2. I hope it's clear. First what we did, we simplified it and then elimination method. Yeah, come on, let's go to the next one. Question number 17, children. Now over here again it is fraction. The easier way is take the LCM. What is the LCM of 2x and 3y? It is 6xy. Okay, 6xy. So here you will multiply with 3y. 3 into 3y is 9y plus 2 into 2x is 4x is equal to 5. Okay. Now this 6xy you will have to multiply on this side. So 9y plus 4x is equal to 30xy. This is your first equation. Okay. Similarly, let's solve the other one. The LCM would be xy. So it is 5y minus 3x is equal to 1. Cross multiply over here. So it is 5y minus 3x is equal to 1xy. This is equation 2. Now let's solve this 2 equation. I will write this equation just below it so that it becomes easier to understand what are we supposed to do. Okay. Now what are we going to do? So we have to eliminate. The easier one is positive, one is negative. So you can just eliminate it. So you have to make this same. So what is the LCM of 4 and 3? It is 12. So multiply this entire equation by 3 and this entire equation by 4. Okay, I'll just erase this much. Now, when you multiply, what will you get? 9y into 3 is 27y. 4x into 3 is 12x. 30 into 3 is 90xy. Okay. 5 into 4 is 20y minus 12x is equal to 4xy. Okay. Now let's add it. What will happen? 12x minus 12x gets eliminated. 27y plus 20y is 47y is equal to, this is 94xy. Both the sides you have y, so you can just write this y out. So now the value of x is 47 upon 94, which is 1 upon 2. Okay, now let's use this value and solve it to get the value of y. Any equation, whether you want to take this or you want to take this, it's your wish. I will prefer taking the smaller one. So 5y minus 3x is equal to xy. Value of x is half. So 5y minus 3 into half is equal to y into half. So this will become 5y minus 3 by 2 is equal to y by 2. Bring y to this side. 5y minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. LCM is 2. So 10y minus y is equal to 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 9y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 upon 9, which is 1 upon 3. I hope it's clear. Come on, let's go to the next question. Yes kids, let's go to question number 19. 3 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 3. So instead of taking the LCM and making it more complex, what I can do is I will take let x plus y be A and x minus y be B. Okay, so this will become 3 upon A plus 2 upon B is equal to 3. Now take the LCM. LCM is AB. So this will become 3B plus 2A is equal to 3. Then 3B plus 2A. Division, when it goes here, it would be multiplication, is equal to 3AB. This is A. This is equation 1. Similarly, let's solve for the other one. 2 upon x plus y. So this will become 2 upon A plus 3 upon B is equal to 11 upon 3. LCM is AB. So 2B plus 3A is equal to 11 upon 3. So this will become 2B plus 3A. Now AB, when it goes here, it will become 11 AB upon 3. Okay. Now this 3 you can bring it here. So 3 into 2B plus 3A is equal to 11AB. So 6B plus 9A is equal to 11AB. This is your second equation. Okay, come on, I'll write this equation below this. Then we'll judge how to eliminate. 11AB, this is equation 2. Okay, should I erase this part? Come on. Now, you want either both are positive, here also both are positive. It's your wish, whichever you want to eliminate. Say for example, I find 3 and 6 easier. The LCM is 6. So what I will do? I will multiply this entire equation by 2. Okay. When you multiply this entire equation by 2, now what you will get? 3b into 2 is 6b. 2a into 2 is 4a. Is equal to 6ab. Okay, and 6b plus 9a is equal to 11ab. Now children, can you eliminate 6b and 6b? No, you can't. So what you will do, that you have to eliminate this, you will have to subtract it. Always remember, when both the terms have the same sign, you will have to subtract it. So when you subtract it, all the sign, respective sign of the second equation changes. Okay. Now 6b minus 6b is removed. 4a minus 9a is minus 5a. 6ab minus 11ab is minus 5ab. Okay. Now a at both the sides, strike it off. So b is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 5, which is 1. So value of b is 1. Okay. Now substitute in any of the equation and get the value of a. Say for example, I substitute in this equation, which is 3b plus 2a is equal to 3ab. Value of b is 1. 3 into b is 3 plus 2a is equal to 3a into 1 is 3a. So 3 is equal to 3a minus 2a. So a is equal to 3. So you got the value of a and you got the value of b. But what you have to find in the original question, you don't have a and b. You have x and y. And we have substituted this. So remember this thing very well. Now you have to substitute the value of a and b in this equation. Let's do this. A was 3 and b is 1. Okay. Come on, let's substitute it. So first one, x plus y is equal to, I got the value of a as 3 and x minus y, I got the value of b as 1. Now solve this. Y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x, 2x. 3 plus 1, 4. So x is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. X is equal to 2. Now find the value of y. So 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. This is your answer. I hope it's clear. Come on, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. Question number 21st. 103x plus 51y. So if you see the question, the numbers are huge, right? If you want to find the LCM and then multiplying, it would be time taking, right? Instead, what we can do, since there are two equations, we'll add both the equation and we'll subtract this both equations so that we get a simplified equation. Okay, say when I'm adding both the equation, okay, now what value will I get after adding? This will become 200x plus 100y is equal to 1200. Now divided by 100, so this would be 2x plus y is equal to 12. See, now you got a simplified equation, right? Same way, now using these two equations only, you will subtract it also. 103x plus 51y is equal to 617. 97x plus 49y is equal to 583. Subtraction means all the signs will change. Minus, minus, minus. 103 minus 97x, 6x. 51 minus 49, 2y is equal to 4. 61, 3. Now, all are even numbers, so you can reduce it by 3. So, reduce it by 2. So, 6x divided by 2, you will get 3x plus y is equal to 17. This is your second equation. See, both the equations are in such a simplified form instead of such a huge number. So, whenever you have such huge number, always follow add and subtract. Okay. Now, let's solve this two equation. The equation is 2x plus y is equal to 12 and 3x plus y is equal to 17. Now see, both have y common, right? The only thing is the signs are same. So whenever the signs are same, what you will do? You will subtract it. So here this is positive, so this will become negative. Positive will become negative. Positive will become negative. So 2x minus 3x is minus x. Y minus y gets cancelled is equal to 12 minus 17 is minus 5. So therefore x is equal to 5. So easy, right? Now substitute in any of the equations. Say I substituted 2x plus y is equal to 12. 2 into 5 plus y is equal to 12. 10 plus y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 minus 10. Y is equal to 2. So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Clear? Come on, let's go to the next one. Yes kids, let's go to question number 23rd. Two equations are given and we have to use elimination method. Okay. Now, which equation will you make? Which are the variables? Variable is x and y. X and y. A and b are not the variables. Remember that. Now, if I'm looking at both the equation, what I can do, if I multiply this entire equation, this is b upon y, here also there is b upon y, what is missing is a square. So if I multiply this with a square, okay, this is already same, so I don't have to do anything. So after doing it, what you will get? A into a square is a cube upon x. Minus b into a square is minus a square b upon y is equal to 0. Okay. Now this equation you will write the way it is. AB square upon x plus a square b upon y is equal to a square plus b square. Now what do you see over here? See? Minus a square b upon y plus a square b upon y gets eliminated. Okay. Now what are you left with over here? It is a cube upon x plus ab square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Right? Now what you will do, since the denominators are same, you can add it. So when you are adding it, this will become a cube plus ab square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Okay. Now let's take common. What is common in this? It is a. What is left is a square plus b square. You have already done factorization, right? Upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Now take x to the other side. A into a square plus b square is equal to x into a square plus b square. Now this you are going to take it here. So here it is multiplication. When you take it to the other side, it will become division. So x is equal to a into a square plus b square, the whole upon a square plus b square. This and this gets cancelled. So the answer is x is equal to a. Now substitute in any equation and get the value of y also. Okay, say for example, I substitute over here. So x is equal to a. So a upon a minus b upon y is equal to 0. This will not become 0, it is 1. So minus b upon y is equal to minus 1. Minus b is equal to minus y. So b is equal to y. This is the value for b. I hope it's clear. Come on, let's go to the next one. Let's do question number 25, children. The sides of an equilateral triangle are given. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. And now you have to find the length of each side. Come on, let's do it. So since these three sides are equal, we don't have two equations. So what you will do, first thing you will have to find these two equations. So what you will do, you will take first two equations. Since the sides are equal, that means x plus 3y will be equal to 3x plus 2y minus 2. Why? Since it's an equilateral triangle, the sides are equal. Now take all the variables to one side and the constant to the other side. So I will take x and 3y to this side. So 3x minus x plus 2y minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay. So this will become x minus y is equal to 2. This is 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is the first equation. Okay. Yes, is it clear? Now let's go to the next one. Now how will you find the second equation? Take any two. Either you want to take this two or you want to take this two. It's up to you. So I will go for this two. So x plus 3y is equal to 4x plus y upon 2 plus 1. So x plus 3y is equal to, take the LCM. LCM is 2. 8x plus y plus 2. Okay. Now this 2 you will bring to the other side. Children, I have seen most of the kids make mistake. They will take this 2 here and multiply. You cannot do it. It's not the whole upon 2. It is just this term which is upon 2. Understood? See, if the whole upon 2, then only you can take this. Okay, so this will become 2 into x plus 3y is equal to 8x plus y plus 2. So open the bracket. 2x plus 6y is equal to 8x plus y plus 2. Okay. Now take this to the other side, or we can bring this to the other side. Minus 8x plus 6y minus y is equal to 2. Minus 6x plus 5y is equal to 2. This is your second equation. You got two equations. Now let's solve these two equations and eliminate it. What was minus y is equal to 2. Minus 6x plus 5y is equal to 2. Now you have to eliminate. So what is the easier way? Multiply this entire equation by 3. So when you multiply, you will get 2x into 3 is 6x minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 6x plus 5y is equal to 2. Right? Now what will happen? 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus 5y is 2y is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. So y is equal to 4. Substitute in any equation. If you substitute in, say I substituted 2x minus y is equal to 2. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to 2 plus 4 which is 6. So x is equal to 3. These are the answers. Okay, I hope it's clear. These were the few questions for elimination method. I hope the concepts are clear. I had done few handful of sums from exercise 5A. Okay, wait for my next video which would be on exercise 5C. Till then, stay connected, take care and goodbye.